Today we're going to show how to summarize and handle lots amount of data in a section. Right now here we have lots amount of data of the company. For example, employee name, section, employee group, employee type, full time, and working hour. Here we have about 20,023 employees. So how we can handle all this data because this is huge data and how we can use this to give a very useful result. So for that we dropped it few steps will far from will be according to that. So the first step is calculate number of employees. Here now we're gonna calculate how many number of employees here in this table. So for that we can use the formula that will calculate the number of employees. So here these are the number of employees and we're gonna calculate that. So the formula is equal to count and bracket um, and we're gonna select the data and the up down arrow. So it takes the even employee name and the row one. So we don't need. So we better change it to row two. And when done, bracket. First enter again. So here you calculate how many employees are there in this row of the table. Of this database. So this is how we can calculate the number of employees when we have huge amount of data. So the next step we're gonna show is calculate number of sections and extracts to different places. So here we have section. We have column section. We have many sections: accounting section, finance sections, BO1 control section, and human resources administration section. So how we can calculate all these sections, how many sections, and extract these sections into different places. So for that, we have to convert this into the table. Here we go. So this is the section group. Yeah, we can see the number of sections in the sections we have in the data. So for that, we can copy this data and then copy and then we can paste anywhere we want. We don't have to copy now. So this is the third step. And the next step we're gonna show is calculate number of managers. Here we have employee type. Some employee are managers, some are monthly staff, some are daily operator. So we want to know how many managers are there in all the data on the range of the data. So for that we can use the formula that is like this. That's each control M on the last one. Then we use the formula equal to count if bracket. We select the range, control shift, select this and up in the bottom. And here we again employee type is just employee type, so we have to change it into 2. And then we drag it and then semicolon and we type what we want to look for. Service manager. We want to look for manager. Semicolon again, bracket, enter. Here we can see it says there are 43 managers in whole sections. The 43 managers. We can know how many sections, how many managers are there in every sections in this way. So the next step is calculate attendance ratio of the section. So now we want to show how many the ratio of percentage of every person. So we can write the ratio of percentage, and then make it with double click here, and we can use the formula. We can use the formula to calculate the percentage. That is equal to the total number by yes, and this is how. So this to show in percentage, we can use this formula. And for all of these functions to show how many percentages they did work, so we can drop it down. Here we go. We can do everything just by using that formula. So this is the ratio percentage of every person. And the next, what we're gonna do is we are going to calculate the attendance ratio of each section. I mean, here they have many sections, accounting, BOI control section. So each sections, how much percentage they did. So for that we have to calculate the number of people and the number of percentage and the make total, and then we're gonna show ratio percentage of each section of the company. So for that we have to convert this into pivot table. Pivot table. So here we go. Pivot table, and then we can use the from here options. We can go to formula and calculate the field. So we can use the ratio of percentage of each section. So for that we have to use a formula that is the full time working hour by full time. Here we go. And this shows the percentage of every section for that. So we can change it into percentage signs. Here we go. So this shows the percentage of every section of the company, how much percentage of work they did to the company for product production, and this is the way to show how to type. And the next, our next step is make grading system. Here we made a scale if a person 98 to 100% is what's called attendance ratio, then he is in grade A. If the person is 96 to 90% of attendance percentage, then he will get 2,000 baht as a bonus. So for that, how can we know how many persons are in section A and how many persons are in section B? For that, we have to do one thing. That is, we have to convert it into table. So we select all the data here, and then we convert it into table. There we go, and here we can choose on the type of table that we like. So for that, now we're gonna categorize how many persons are in section A. So for that, here we go. We go by number filters and between. So a section is 98 to 100%. Okay, so here we go. We type 90% to 100%. There we go. And then Okay, here we see. Here we see how many persons are between 90% to 100%. Yeah, some are 90, some are 100. So now we're gonna calculate how many people are in section A. For that, we're gonna use a formula that is equal to total bracket, and then we're gonna use counter and comma, control shift, just like this, and operator, and it takes again the ratio of, so we're gonna change it here, I, 2, and then um, bracket, enter. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It shows only the percentage. We better do it here. Is equal to sub sub total bracket counter and comma control shift dish up and bottom, and here we change to 2 because sorry. Oh yeah, never mind. You can change to 2 and then close it and enter. Here we can see. And we can see with 171 people are in section A. And now we're gonna see how many people are in section B. Section B is 96 to 98%. So we're gonna categorize it. We go here and then number filters again between, and here we 96. We got 96, 94, 95, 96, and then 98. 98, yeah. Here we can see 90. And it automatically calculates how many persons are there. In section B, are 110 persons. So in this way, we can calculate how much money more we have to pay. 0 to 100, 10 into, as we said, section B is 2,000 baht as a bonus. And here we go. Here we have to pay one stance 100,000, 10,000, 220,000 baht. We have to pay for 110 persons as a bonus for section B. So this is how we can summarize all data of future month data in Excel. And for that, we can use many other functions to summarize. But I think these are the basics to summarize future month data.